Okay, how to simplify between radicals. Now, this is particularly for multiplication and division. The condition is you have to have same radical, meaning if it is a square root it will work only with square root, and if it is a cube root it has to be a cube root to combine. Okay, now if the radicals are same, the next step is you have to operate it inside and inside, meaning square root, the roots inside value will work with inside, then outside. Now you will see how this is working. Okay, now for example number 1 here. Before we go to radicals, I just want you to remember that how to simplify this. Actually, y cube means there are y 3y's multiplied, okay, divided by, now same idea, y square means y is repeating twice here. Now because in between these are multiplication, you can directly cancel out y here, y, then what is left? Y. So which means when you divide these two, you are getting y. Now this is the long method, the actual operation process. Okay, otherwise if you understand this process from here, you can directly do. If you have understood the background here, you just have to subtract the numerator. You have y cube, right? Y, so y, you keep y here, so you already have 3 here, right? Then you subtract the denominator's number. So denominator's number meaning y's exponent is 2 in the denominator, so you just subtract that. So 3 minus 2 is 1, so y raised to 1. So just remember this process here. Either you can follow the long process or you can directly do the shortcut method. Now coming back to the main example, which is example 2, like I said, the numerator has 2 terms, so first try to solve that one. Now all radicals are same, all are square root, so you can multiply. So when you multiply, you need to do inside, meaning what you have inside the square roots. So you have 3y times you have 5y cube. Then what do you have outside? So outside the first radical you have 2. Outside the second radical, if there is nothing, that means there is 1. So 1 you have. Then divided by, you have 12y squared. So 2 into 1 is 2. Then you have, if I multiply, 3 into 5 is 15 times 15. Okay, and you have y times y cube. So see, when it is multiplication, you just have to add the value of, so the exponent of y here is 1, so there is exponent of y is 3, so 3 plus 1 is 4, so y raised to 4, divided by, you have 12y squared. Now since the term is only 1 in the numerator, you directly divide. So divide also, since both radicals are same, you can directly follow inside, outside. Inside means you share one root. Inside the root there is 15y raised to 4. For the denominator, you have inside the root 12y raised to 2. Now outside meaning outside you have 2 in the numerator, and if there's nothing, there is 1, right? So you have 2 here. Now if I simplify this one, like what you did in the previous question, so there are 2 y's in the denominator and 4, so 4 minus 2 is 2, so left is y square in the numerator. Then I can also further simplify. You have here 12 is as good as saying, so let me try to simplify the numbers here. Okay, so in the numerator we have 3 times 5 is 15, right? Then you have y squared, which y squared means y is multiplied twice. Then 12 means 4 into 3 is also 12, so you have C, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Then this is equal to, the y is repeating twice, so which means you already have 2 outside, so one of the y gets outside. Inside you are left with 5. Then in the denominator 4, root 4, it becomes root 4 here, so which means 2y root of 5. Now you already know that root 4 is as good as writing 2 times 2, or you can directly get the answer, right? Root 4, square root of 4 is 2, so in the denominator you are left with 2, so 2 gets cancelled, so finally your answer is y root of 5.